Guten Tag, Schüler. Heute wir diskutieren das Telefon, the telephone. We'll be covering vocabulary to talk about telephone devices, how to use a telephone, and words and phrases you should use while making a phone call. So let's begin. Das Telefon. Das Telefon. The telephone. Could also say der Apparat. Der Apparat, which can be used to say telephone, literally means the apparatus. Der Hörer. Der Hörer. The receiver. Die Telefonzelle. Die Telefonzelle. Telephone booth. Und die Telefonnummer. Die Telefonnummer. Telephone number. And for you, probably the most important, das Handy. Das Handy, or cell phone. Now here are some verbs to use when talking about using a telephone. Telefonieren, telefonieren, which is to call on the phone. Anrufen, anrufen, which means to call, and it is a separable prefix verb. So you rufen eine Person an. Then we have abheben, abheben, which means to pick up. Und auflegen, auflegen, which means to hang up. Then we have die Nummer wählen, die Nummer wählen, which means to dial the number. Here are a few other phrases that will be handy when talking on the phone. Ein Moment bitte. Ein Moment bitte. Means just a moment, please. Hier, or hier ist, which is the way to answer saying this is, like this is Herr Anderson, hier ist Herr Anderson. Or hereby Anderson, which means the Anderson residence. Kann ich bitte Bob sprechen? Kann ich bitte Bob sprechen? Can I speak to Bob, please? And then when you want to say goodbye on the telephone, instead of saying auf Wiedersehen, which means I will see you later, you say auf Wiederhören, auf Wiederhören, which means I will talk to you later. Or you could simply say Wiederhören, Wiederhören. Okay, that's all of the new words and vocabulary for this section. Make sure that you write down all the vocabulary in your notes and answer the quiz. Tschüss! Bis morgen.